The Morel Dam, the largest clay dam on the Asian continent, located in the Lalsot region, is a haven for winter migratory birds. Thousands of aquatic and terrestrial birds migrate here every year. Hundreds of pied avosets have camped in the dam. This bird is of medium size, which is white in color with black stripes. Its beak is very thin, sharp, and like a jug. These microorganisms make the warts their food. This bird, which breeds in Europe and Central Asia, travels about 2,300 kilometers to India on a winter migration. They lay their eggs on the ground. These birds have been migrating to the Morel Dam for the last 5 years. Along with these, 5,000 birds, including Greater Flamingo, Blacktail Godwit, black-headed gal, etc., have reached the dam. About 20,000 birds are expected to arrive now. There has been a change in the migration of birds this time. The main reason for the delay in migration is climate change, which has led to higher temperatures in Central Asia so far.